Hi, welcome to T's Journey. My name's Tanya and this is my journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell notification. I do apologize for not posting for a couple of weeks, but I was sick over the holidays, so I was behind in a lot of work. So catching back up has been it's been a lot. It's been consuming my time. I still have some footage that need to be edited when I went skating, but I just haven't gotten around to it. But we about to go do a winter. This is February, the first weekend of February, and we're about to go ATV riding, just to check out the property. It's kind of chilly out here. I'm about to get my coat to go riding, so stay tuned as we go through the property during the winter. Earlier, Rick did some weeding of the garden, winter garden, and doing some composting, cleaning up the garden for the spring that's coming. So I didn't record that because, like I said, I was doing some work. I have signings. I've had a lot of bookings for my lake house. That I have a cleaning crew, but I have been doing. I hired myself to do the cleaning myself just to get an idea of what the guests used or did not use, what I need to get a lot of, which has changed a lot of things I'm doing now. So I'll talk about that in another video, but right now stay tuned for our winter ATV ride. Okay, I got my Alaska jacket on and we're about to get on there. I'm about to get on the ATV and we're about to go check out the property during the winter. Again, this is February 2023. I'm ready.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean, I send them my devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade. You said you take places I've been on my.
Whoa! Oh man, I'm videoing me falling! No, I said I videoed me falling. Yeah, well, how my back look? Let's see.
There you go.
That's supposed to be cute. Yeah, it did. Yeah, I was trying to be cute. I was hamming it up and start right in there. Can I get on the seat with the dirty pants? Oh, look at that. I know.
That's the mark you got on the.
Well, let me show you. Right there. Let's see if I got it right. Yep, that's it right there. The only spot right there that falls. My shoes full of mud. Cleaned off the stick. After trying to clean my shoe, slipping down the hill. Rick pushing me down the hill. That's what it was. Hot now, getting hot. Slide that hill.
Hold on with your legs.
Slid down that hill. I'll be okay, Rick. You gonna let me walk this thing by myself?
Yeah.
That's all right then. If you're not gonna go slow enough for me to keep an eye on me. You gonna go slow enough to keep an eye on me?
So what do you mean, like drive up there and wait till you walk up and then drive up a little way?
Or come back or whatever you're gonna do. Circle
Okay,
me.
I'll come back in an hour.
All right, never mind. Never mind.
You get off. I'll go slow.
Okay. I decided to walk home because I need to exercise, but I want Rick to go slow so I won't get eaten by any animal. Rick,
I only put the head on.
Rick, he's about to take off. I knew it. I knew it. I can't rely on him to do what he's supposed to. But I'm gonna walk home from here because I need to exercise. I haven't been exercising, and I have been just, since I was sick, I have been gotten out of the habit of exercising. So I told him to let me off, and I'm gonna walk home. This is the driveway where we drive up to. So I'm gonna walk from the first curb, not from the gate. So. I'll put my gloves on. Okay, he did come back just to tell me he's gonna put some gas on it and he'll come back for me. He says nothing out here is gonna get me, so I'm gonna believe him. I need to exercise, so I decided to walk because I need to exercise. Gloves back on.
I'm gonna put some gas in. I'll be right back.
Okay. I need to walk. I've been asking him to go walking for the last couple of days because, like I said, since I've been sick, I have really got out of the habit of walking, doing any kind of exercise, and I have just really got really lazy with everything. So I'm trying to get back in the groove. I love walking out here in the woods and the nature. First weekend of February. It's not as cold as it's been. It's the first Sunday. Is this the first Sunday? Yes. First Sunday of February. It hasn't been as cold as it was the last couple of days. Thank God for that. Thank God for that, because it was really cold yesterday and a couple of days before. But it's in the 50s, so it's not really bad in comparison. But I did need to walk. It's a big hill coming down here that I gotta get over. But I need to walk to get back into my knees was bothering me. My joints, because they was getting stiff because I wasn't moving around as much as I should have. But again, I'm gonna be doing a video later on of how my Airbnb going. It's going great. Everyone who stayed loves it. I have improved on things as I was cleaning, as I do the cleaning. But we do to go to Oregon. We have a place in Oregon to ski in a couple of weeks, so I'll be bringing you videos of us going to Bend, Oregon. Our place is in Redmond, and we fly into Redmond, and it's Eagle Crest, and it's a beautiful place. And like I said, I'll do a video from there. We didn't go last year because I really wasn't feeling up to it, because I was preparing to do the house. So it was like I was trying to get that done. But here we coming up on a big hill. We're getting up that hill. It's gonna be right there. This is a steep hill. That may not look like it in the video, but the one I'm going at is the steepest part. But it's a steep, steep hill. My knees are kind of like bothering me, so I'm trying to slowly build up stamina to start walking again and exercising. Because like I said, even my left knee always bothered me since I went through the ceiling when I was rehabbing Roanoke. Lately, my right knee has been bothering me going up and down. Both of knees been bothering me going up and down the steps. So I know it's one, me putting on weight, not moving around enough, and two, my joints are getting stiffer. I guess it's the older you get, as they say. But I'm not claiming that. But it's just that I have to stay agile and start walking and stretching. Because there's no excuse. Rick is 71 and he's very flexible because he does his yoga 6 days a week, regardless how he feels. He's consistent, which I am not. I'm not as consistent, but I'm working on my consistency. I am really, really working. I think it's Rick coming down there. We got some gas, I think. I hear that's him. This is the driveway we would have to drive all the way from that gateway we went to, all the way up here. I think I hear him coming. Yep. No, I'm still walking.
Okay.
We're probably going down to the gate again. I needed that walk. I need to get back, build my stamina up so I can walk all the way down to the gate and back and then to the mailbox, which is another, I think half a mile to the mailbox on the hard road. I built up my stamina. I need to move around some, get out the house, because I've been working, sitting, working. Okay, I'm looking into a guy. We found somebody down here in Buckingham, well, Lynchburg, to do a 7,500 kit for a tiny home right in this area here, and you should see the kit. I'll try to put the link below, and he's looking to build. This guy sells different kits from 4,800 to 7,500. The little kits to put together the joints. They'll give you a list of materials. So I'll put that in the link below. Also, I'll put in the link below the link to my Airbnb. I have had a lot of guests and they have enjoyed it immensely, especially with kids. So I enjoyed the walk, but also we'll do a link of, like I said, my Airbnb and the link of where the guy, because I'm going to do my about right around here. It's going to be the tiny home. Well, it's actually 1,500 square feet, and like I said, the kit is 7,500. I might use that on the property I have in Front Row and do a rental, but I'm going to do the tiny house here. Well, 1,500 square feet, or I haven't decided the 4,800 one, which is a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. The 1,500 is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and I'm hoping to get that together within the next year, because like I said, we're still working on we're still doing some projects like we're still doing the solar. Rick is in the process of getting the permits to go ahead and getting approval to put it up to the house, the wiring and all that, to Stanson approved. And we really still got a little bit of projects. We're gonna do a little bit more camping, skating more, bowling, doing a lot of activities that we like enjoying. So this is T's journey. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell notification.